Hello and welcome to a new video where I teach you 25 very short but very useful and common phrases in Spanish that I think everybody should know, and they're going to help you with your day-to-day conversations. As usual, I'm going to do Spanish normal speed first, then slower, and then English, so you can just sit back, relax, and listen to them. So let's start. Number one today is qué pereza. Qué pereza. What a drag. What a pain. Pereza means laziness, and we say this when we don't feel like doing something, for whatever reason. It can be laziness or it can be something else. Like, it's raining, it's very cold, and my wife says, ¿Salimos a cenar? Let's go out for dinner? Uf, qué pereza. Uf, what a drag. I'm lazy to go out now. I don't feel like going out now. The next one is, ya estoy cansado. Ya estoy cansado. I'm tired already. Like, you've been waiting for a friend for a long time and you cannot wait anymore. Ya estoy cansado de esperar. Me voy. I'm already tired of waiting. I'm leaving. Next one. De momento sí. De momento sí. For now, yes. Like, you change jobs and your friend asks you, ¿Te gusta tu nuevo trabajo? Do you like your new job? De momento sí. For now, yes. We will see later. Ahora mismo no. Ahora mismo no. Not right now. Like, someone calls you when you are working and they ask you, ¿Puedes hablar? Can you talk? Ahora mismo no. Llámame luego. Not right now. Call me later. Right, next one. Tú sabrás. Tú sabrás. You should know, or sometimes it's up to you. Like when my wife opens the fridge and asks me, ¿Qué es esta salsa? What is this sauce? Tú sabrás. You should know. It's your sauce. But also, we can use it as it's up to you, like, si no quieres estudiar más, tú sabrás. If you don't want to study more, it's up to you. You'll know. Like, you should know what you're doing. Another one. Sigue así. Sigue así. The translation is continue like this. Keep it up. Like, lo estás haciendo muy bien. Sigue así. You're doing great. Keep it up. Or the next one, tienes que cambiar. Tienes que cambiar. You have to change. Like, no puedes seguir así. Tienes que cambiar. You cannot keep like this. You cannot keep it up. You have to change. No lo pienses más. No lo pienses más. Meaning, don't think about it anymore, or don't overthink it. Like, your friend or someone is checking something for a long time and they cannot decide, and you tell them, si te gusta, no lo pienses más, cómpralo. If you like it, don't overthink it, buy it. Or the next one, piénsalo bien. Piénsalo bien. Think about it carefully. Like, they cannot decide, and it's something very important. So you can say, piénsalo bien antes de decidir. Think about it carefully before you decide. Es una tontería. Es una tontería. It's nonsense. It's silly. Eso que dices es una tontería. What you're saying is nonsense. Or, no te enfades. Es una tontería. Don't get angry. It's silly. Es muy importante. Es muy importante. It's very important. Estudiar es muy importante. Studying is very important. The next one, es clave. Es clave. It's key. Like something that it must be done. Without that, it doesn't work. Like, you applied for a job and at the interview they tell you, para este puesto, hablar inglés es clave. For this position, speaking English is key. Like, if you cannot speak English, bye-bye. You don't get the job. That's why Spanish people, we always write English level, advanced on our resumes. And it's never true. But es clave, it's key. Everybody's asking for it. Otherwise, we have no chance. Voy de camino. Voy de camino. I'm on my way. We say this when maybe we're late or we think we're going to be late, or a friend calls us to ask and they say, ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? Voy de camino. Llego en 5 minutos. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 5. Just keep in mind, if they're Spanish, 5 means 20. And voy de camino means I'm still at home. So plan accordingly. Next one. Nos vemos ahí. Nos vemos ahí. I'll see you there. Like I'm going to meet friends at some place, but I don't mind picking them up, and I say, ¿te recojo en tu casa o nos vemos ahí? Shall I pick you up at your house or see you there? Nos vemos ahí mejor. I'll see you there better, because maybe picking them up means that I have to go around town, while if we just meet there at the place, it's easier or faster for me. Nos vemos ahí. I'll see you there. Como te dije. Como te dije. As I told you. When we want to repeat a reason or something we already said. Like a friend asks, ¿vas a venir a la fiesta? Are you coming to the party? Como te dije, tengo que trabajar. As I told you, I have to work. I already told you why I can't go. Or the next one, te lo dije. Te lo dije. I told you so. Something that everybody hates. Like you tell your friends, no vayas a París. Es muy caro. And then they come back, uf, París es muy caro. Ugh, Paris is so expensive. Te lo dije. I told you so. I don't know why people don't believe it when you say things. Tú a lo tuyo. Tú a lo tuyo. That's the way we say mind your own business. Like when I'm doing something and somebody else comes and says, lo estás haciendo mal. You're doing it wrong. Tú a lo tuyo. Mind your own business. A similar one is, tú no te metas. Tú no te metas. That just means don't get involved, stay out of it. Now, when two people are having problems and somebody is like, oh, but he said, she said, eso es entre ellos. Tú no te metas. That's between them two. You stay out of it. No te rías. No te rías. Don't laugh. Like if you fall and your friends laugh and you get hurt, no te rías. Me he hecho daño. Don't laugh. I got hurt. That's just probably gonna make them laugh harder if they are good friends. So, te has pasado. Te has pasado. That means you overdid it, like you overdid something, or you went too far. For example, let's say that you have an argument with somebody and then le he roto la ventana del coche. I broke their car window. And your friend says, uf, te has pasado. Uf, you went too far. Or, ayer trabajé 17 horas. Yesterday I worked 17 hours. Te has pasado. You overdid it. Es muy gracioso. Es muy gracioso. It's very funny. Like, mira este video. Es muy gracioso. Check out this video. It's very funny. Kind of like the opposite. No hace gracia. No hace gracia. It's not funny. Especially when people laugh at something inappropriate. Like you tell your friends, me han despedido. I got fired. And they laugh, ha 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 ha. No hace gracia. It's not funny. Some people just laugh at anything and everything. Ya me lo imagino. Ya me lo imagino. I can imagine. When you understand someone and you tell them, you get an idea. Like they tell you, Disneyland en Navidad está lleno de gente. Disneyland in Christmas is packed. And you say, ya me lo imagino. I can imagine. I get an idea. Luego voy. Luego voy. And go later. Like they tell you, tienes que ir a por el pan. You have to go get the bread. Ahora estoy ocupado. Luego voy. I'm busy now. I'll go later. Again, careful because in some places, luego, later means nunca, never. Especially personally when I have to fix something in the house. But that's a different topic. And the last one, luego me paso. Luego me paso. I'll come by later. It's a casual way to say I'm coming, usually for a short period of time. Like when you get an invitation from a friend, ven a casa y tomamos un café. Come home and we'll have a coffee. Vale, luego me paso. Okay, I'll come by later. Alright, Hope that was helpful. If it was and you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing so I can keep making more to share with everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.